Greetings everyone. I want to show you a workaround for working with the Act Premium Cloud layout screen if you want to add something to your layout when you're using Act Premium Cloud, which is web-based software. I'm going to come up to Tools and I'm going to go down to Design Layouts. And I'm going to draw your attention to something. When we are working in Act Premium Cloud, we have a lot of space over to the right-hand side where we can put things. But you'll notice the scroll bar won't let you go over much further to the right than right here. So let me show you a little trick that I sort of came up with or discovered or figured out as I was confronted with this issue. I'm going to come over to Drawing on the left-hand side, and I'm going to click on Drawing. I'm going to click on Rectangle, and I'm just going to draw a little rectangle right here, just somewhere in some blank space. Next, I'm going to come up and I'm going to click on View, and I'm going to click on Properties window. I'm going to maximize this to make it a little bit bigger on the screen. I'll just pull this over. But what I want to draw your attention to is I can move this around, and as I move it around, the numbers over here on the right will adjust. So you'll see the location is adjusting by clicking on it and dragging it around. There it goes. It keeps adjusting. So having said that, what I discovered is I said, hey, if I can take just a really small image or a rectangle for that matter and put it way out to the right, will that allow me to scroll all the way over to the right or enter more info over there? So let me show you the workaround. I'm going to come up here to Location. I'm going to click on this little dot, and where it says Location, I'm going to type in 1800. Now, the resolution of my monitor is 1920 pixels from left to right and 1080 from top to bottom. Now, your monitor might be different, but picking 1800 for this location is going to send it way over to the right and off the screen. And as I click away from this, you should see this disappear. So I'm going to click away from it and come up to Name, and now it's gone. So what happened is now I can scroll way over to the right. So you'll notice another second quirk to this is as follows. If I want to put something over there, I can't just put it there. So let's say I want to do a second rectangle. I can't come over here and draw. Here I get the skinny little plus sign, but the minute I get to the white space, I can't do it. But what I can do is take this rectangle, draw it, and once I've drawn it, click on it, drag it, and move it over here. I'm going to go up and click on Save. I'm going to exit out of here. And now you'll see I can scroll over to the right to put new fields in. So it could be a rectangle field, it could be a picture field, it could be just a regular field, it can be all kinds of things. But that's how you work your way around getting over to the right and giving you more space. So just wanted to share that insight with you and give you some ways to think about working with Act Premium Cloud and the layout. I focused on moving to the right, but obviously if you need to go further down the screen to the bottom, you can change that way as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye now.